And I killed Sparky too.
Oh, hey, it's me, Olive, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I thought we're gonna do something slightly different today. We're gonna do some boy glam. Yay, sounds different, fun, and not as much work, so it's a little more wearable. So for y'all who are like, into that, then keep on watching. If you want to learn some tricks on how to, lightly fix up this face, then keep on watching. But before you do that, make sure you hit that bell notification so you know every time I make a brand new video. And make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more drag fun and, makeup, all that good stuff. All right, let's get into the video. I already primed and did my skin prep off camera. Allergies are like crazy right now, so my skin's a little dry, which isn't cute or fun, but we can work through it together, it's fine. So first I'm gonna start with some foundation. Ooh, I haven't done like boy glam in so long, ooh. So today I'm taking the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 127. And I'm using that for my foundation. Taking it on the back of the beauty blender and just bouncing it into the skin. So how's everyone doing today? Everyone having fun? Everyone having a good little quarantine? Did anybody do anything fun on like Valentine's Day? Let me know down below. Oh, look at this foundation. It just is so good. In like drugstore, come on. Yes, ma'am. Okay, also, how many of y'all have been keeping up with Wandavision? It's so good. I get so pissed off every time the credits roll at the end. It's so annoying. So I'm want more, now. But Disney and Marvel just making us wait until the next week. Every week, keep us glued to the TV. But I'm not complaining. We need some sort of entertainment right now. And it is not disappointing whatsoever. Make sure you get the ears too. And maybe a little bit of the neck. This foundation isn't a perfect match. Oh, but yeah, Wandavision is so good. Full of so many fun twist turns and surprises. Also spoiler alert, warning. Ooh. How about the reveal of the X-Men version of Quicksilver and not the Avengers version coming back? What a gag. Also still don't know what that means as of the time I'm filming this video. I don't think I trust him. Just there to mess with Wanda. Not our queen. No ma'am. And then this last episode, episode 7, the reveal of Agatha Harkness being the big bad. I mean, obviously knew that was Agatha, Agnes was Agatha Harkness, but ooh, didn't know she was pulling all the strings. Oh, and that theme song she had all about Agatha all along. So catchy, I was literally singing that. And actually this makeup look is slightly inspired by Miss Agatha Harkness. Alright, now that we have some foundation on, we can move on to concealer. And since I'm not doing drag today, I don't have to go as ham, which is nice. Just a little bit right there. That's enough concealer. I don't have to go as ham on the concealer because I'm not doing drag today. I don't have to highlight as much. Actually, this is probably more than enough. Like I said, it's been a while since I did boy drag. Boy drag, what is that even? And then Monica Rambeau getting her powers. So iconic. And then the little Captain Marvel voices going on in the background. So cute. Makes me want to watch Captain Marvel again. Just make sure everything is nice and blended. And we can start blending out the concealer now. I just had a while. Alright, now that we are nice and blended, we can powder. Going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. Just under the eyes right now. Damp Beauty Blender. And then with the fluffy brush, just going all over the rest of the face. Tapping it in the center. And then blend it out. Oh, don't forget the neck. Can't have that transfer anywhere. Since I have like a beard today, I don't have to go as ham with the contouring. And also I'm not in drag, so there's that too. So instead I like to, you know, bronze up and just warm up the skin. Right now I'm just taking some of MAC's Give Me Sun, tapping off the excess and focusing that on the high points of the face where the sun would hit. Make me look nice and tan. See, look, that just warms everything up. Adds more life to the face. Look, I look dead here. Look, I look like Vision's corpse. Vision with life. Oh, speaking of, do we think Vision's gonna stay alive? Like, how do we think this is gonna end? Like, what do we think, like, Agatha Harkness's plan is? I mean, obviously, well, not obviously. For those of you who don't know, once again, spoiler alert, Agatha Harkness is a witch in the comics. She was there during the Salem witch trials. I'm just taking a little bit of the bronzer and just adding that right here where the eyebrow meets the nose. And when I go into contour my nose, I usually go in with some bronzer first because it's not as pigmented as like contour. So if I make a mistake, it's easier to correct. Also, I'm not doing a drag nose, so it won't be a snatch. I have to be ready for that. Right now we have that slightly mapped out where we want it. We can go in with some contour to deepen that up. Going with the contour to contour the nose. There we go. So let that bake on the sides of the nose to help snatch it up a little bit more. And you want to have like the most light in the center of your face, just for y'all who are like more towards the beginning of like makeup and everything. A little helpful tip. You want to make it look like light is hitting you at all times. Honestly, if you want it to look as natural as possible, layering is going to be your best friend. Now that we have our base all done, I'm going to go in with some setting spray and really set it all in.
Make this look like skin again.
Alright, now that I have my base all done, I'm going to be doing my eyes right now. And once again, I said this look is inspired by Agatha Harkness, or, you know, on Wandavision it was Agnes before she had that reveal. Once again, spoiler alert. And I'm going to be using a few different palettes to do this look. Oh, Kathryn Hahn is doing such an amazing job. Like, honestly, everyone's doing such an amazing job on WandaVision. If you aren't watching it, you're like literally missing out. It's so good. And when you work with purples, just take your time. They are very difficult to work with. And then once you have the shape down, you can start blending it out a little bit. I'll blend it with this one, and then I'm gonna blend it out with a little bit of pink. But yeah, Kathryn Hahn isn't like super like well known in the comics, but she is pretty important. Because like witches feel like gay people like in society, like being constantly like shunned, told that we are like less than and that we're like not enough. Bitch, we powerful. Y'all are just scared. Right, with a little bit of pink, I'm gonna blend out the purple edges. Now I'm gonna go in with a deeper, like cooler tone purple. I'm excited to see where they like take this character, because in the comics she was kind of like a neutral, like she's chaotic neutral, let's say that. Maybe she needs more witches or magic users around her to gain power, and she be using Wanda, making her look like the bad guy. You know who sees through that? Miss Monica. Alright, and then now under the eye we can go in with some pink. Right now I can go in with the purple under the eye. And do the damn thing. Now I'm going to cut the crease. I just took some concealer to the back of my hand. And I usually cut the crease like above my natural crease because my eyes are slightly hooded. I'm just gonna put this shimmer on my crease. It has like a little purple, pink, blue like reflect to it. I'm gonna go do the other eye off camera just to save some time, and I will be right back. Alright, as you can see, I did my other eye off camera. I added some liner and lashes to the look. And now that I went in on the eyes, I'm gonna add more color to the face because I feel like we lost some of it. We're coming up to the finish line, y'all. Home stretch, a little blush on the nose. Now it's time for lips. And since Miss Agatha Harkness has been revealed to be the villain, I decided to go with a dark lip, a little dark purple lip. Let's do this. Right now that we have a lip on and everything else is looking good, just take a step back, look at yourself, make sure everything's looking cute. Add a little bit more highlight to the tip of my nose. I like it looking really tiny and snatched. Even though it's not as harsh as I normally do. And this is the finished look, guys. This Agatha Harkness inspired makeup boy glam look is all done. Let me know how you guys feel down below. I live for it. I love a good like purple eye. Oh, with like a dark lip on me. I look so mysterious and like androgynous and like, ooh. I'm basically like Agatha Harkness. Like, I'm gonna cast a spell on you. Ooh, I can do like little wiggly woos to you. Like, not gonna lie, I don't do boy glam like enough, but like, ooh, I'm kind of feeling it. Like, I look, makeup is so fun, y'all. Like, well, who doesn't want to look like enhanced version of themselves? Speaking of enhanced, Wandavision. Who is watching it? Let me know down below how you guys think about the show. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell notification too so you know the next time I make a brand new video. And make sure you check out all my socials at The Olive Cox. And I'll see you guys next week.